So this is my 1 week post-operative check-in. I have had a pretty significant amount of pain coming right out of the surgery. I also opted not to take any prescription pain medications as a matter of principle for my body. And I have been recovering since then, slowly. It was a little hard to eat at first. My throat was, I wouldn't say my throat was sore, it just was, it was tighter. There was probably some residual swelling from the procedure caused my throat to kind of, it was a little harder to swallow. It's getting easier now. But other than that, I've kept the brace on, and I've just been taking it easy as far as showering. The first couple days I had my caretaker here be with me as I showered, just to make sure I was okay getting in there. I also had the individual help me. He poured water over my head for me, so I didn't have to lift my arms up. Taking a more precautionary approach when I'm in the shower for water and that sort of stuff. But I'm getting a lot more mobility now, a lot more functional now, with me being able to move things with my arms and kind of get back to normal ability. I don't want to push it, obviously, and I think the doctor is going to have me back in about another week for the follow-up visit. So until then, it's just kind of more, there's a little boredom just, in sitting with not having anyone around other than my grandparents here to talk to every once in a while. It's difficult. I've had a lot of friends come over though, and that's been very, very supportive and very helpful. It really made a big difference coming over and just seeing how many people cared about me and still do care about me and want to help me, move forward. It's been really emotional for me too, in a good way. It's been really great that they've been able to come out and see me and really care about me more than anything else. So let's see, is there anything else? Just been getting up slowly. I still have numbness and tingling in my fingers. So the front of my index finger here, probably from around the middle up, is tingly, and it's also just difficult to clench my fist. Like it's just difficult to do. My thumb also has more numbness on the top here since surgery. That's new. So that I'm gonna have to keep an eye on as well. And maybe that's also just swelling. I mean, we're only a week in here, so I think there's other swelling that can still go down. And I'm just going to keep an eye on everything. Otherwise, my left hand's fine. I think the biggest thing is having the collar on. That's like the hardest adjustment, just not being able to move my shoulders in the way that I normally did so far. And I don't know, that's the biggest source of kind of like the tightness, is there in the back of my neck, right below my hairline and above the incision. My muscles are really tight there. I can feel it. Trying to eat as healthy as I can, get a little more protein in, going on walks. Yesterday, the day before, first day, just went around the block, then I did 2, and then I'm planning on doing 3 or more, I guess, soon enough to just keep, mobility and blood flow, circulation, and everything. I did call the doctor today, and they said that I could actually go on a recumbent bike, basically pedaling machine as part of my exercise. So that's something I got to look into. I don't have one here, but whether I get one or I go somewhere for therapy, that's what I'm more leaning to, because they might be able to do some other stuff while I'm there too, and assist me in the rehab as far as which muscles to strengthen and why, without going too far and pushing too far too fast, because that's probably what I would do to myself if I was left to come up with my own, strengthening routine. I'm just eager to get back to normalcy. So for me, I want to push it right now, but I know I need to wait because it's only been 7 days. But that's it. Just had a lot of time to reflect, a lot of time to talk to other people, and just relax, try to recover, and keep going forward. So that's my catch up as far as we go now. So I'll probably check back in another week. All right. Bye.